Hey crypto fam! Let's face it, the world of cryptocurrency can be a bit overwhelming. New platforms popping up all the time, unfamiliar terms flying around, and who can forget the wild price swings? But fear not, knowledge is power, and that's where we come in. Today, we're tackling a question many beginners have: is Gemini crypto free? Now, before we dissect Gemini's fee structure, let's take a step back. Can you truly get free crypto? There are definitely ways to earn some crypto without directly spending cash. For instance, some platforms offer rewards for completing tasks like watching videos or taking quizzes. There's also the concept of crypto faucets, which dispense tiny amounts of crypto for free, think pennies on the digital dollar. However, these methods usually come with limitations. The rewards are often negligible, and the time commitment can be significant. So, while free crypto technically exists, it might not be the most practical way to build your crypto portfolio. Alright, back to Gemini. So, is using Gemini free? The short answer is no, but there are nuances. Gemini, like most crypto exchanges, charges fees for various services. These fees typically fall into two categories: trading fees and withdrawal fees. Trading fees are essentially the cost of buying and selling crypto on the platform. Gemini offers a maker-taker fee model. Makers add liquidity to the market by placing limit orders, which are orders to buy or sell crypto at a specific price. Takers remove liquidity by fulfilling those orders. Gemini rewards makers with lower fees compared to takers. Here's the key takeaway: these fees are a percentage of your trade, typically a fraction of a percent. While they might seem small, they can add up over time, especially if you're an active trader. Then there are withdrawal fees. These are the charges you incur when you transfer your crypto out of your Gemini account to another wallet. Withdrawal fees vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency you're transferring. Now, Gemini does have a referral program that can get you some free crypto. Here's the deal: if you sign up for Gemini using a friend's referral link and trade at least $100 worth of crypto, both you and your friend can earn a bonus in Bitcoin. It's a great way to try out the platform with a little incentive. But remember, there's usually a catch with referral bonuses. They often have limitations on the amount you can earn and might come with specific time frames. So, be sure to read the fine print before diving in. Here's the bottom line: while Gemini itself isn't entirely free, their fees are generally considered competitive in the crypto exchange landscape. They offer a user-friendly platform with robust security features, which is crucial when dealing with your hard-earned crypto. Ultimately, the decision of whether Gemini is the right platform for you depends on your individual needs and trading style. If you're a beginner looking for a secure and easy-to-use platform, Gemini could be a good fit. However, if you're a high-volume trader constantly buying and selling, the fees might become a significant factor. Remember, before investing in any cryptocurrency, do your own research and understand the risks involved. The crypto market is volatile, and past performance is never a guarantee of future results. That said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.